Morning, my virtual friends. If you are listening to this recording, that means you have already gone in and done your daily attendance for today. That is very important. So if you haven't done that, please pause the video and go and do your attendance and then come back to the video. We're going to jump right in to our calendar. So yesterday, we recorded that it was Wednesday and it was October 14th. So if yesterday was Wednesday and this is where we are today, what are we going to put there? If you said Thursday, that is absolutely correct because today is Thursday. And boys and girls, if today is Thursday, what was yesterday? That is right. Yesterday was Wednesday. And if today is Thursday, tomorrow is going to be, yes, tomorrow is going to be Friday. So I'm going to go right up here to Thursday and I'm going to come down here and I'm going to see that the date for today is the 15th. I hope you heard that ending for that ordinal number. Today is Thursday, October 15th, 2020. Say that together with me. Here we go. Today is Thursday, October 15th, 2020. Good job. Alrighty, doing our place value. The number of days in school for today is going to be 27. 27 days in school. Whoa, that's a lot of days. 27 days of school means we have to put a cube in our ones place. And if we count these by tens and then we go over to ones. Let's do it. Here we go. 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. And if we are in school 27 days, one more than 27 is 28. One less than 27 is 26. 10 more than 27 is 37. And 10 less than 27 is 17. Moving on to our tens frame, we're going to go ahead and we're going to move a dot right up here. And I'm looking at that, and I see that we have a full tens frame here and a full tens frame here. That means we count them by tens, 10, 20. And I know that this is half of 10, so that is 5, 6, 7. So 10, 20, 25, 26, 27. Good. And for our tally marks, Mr. Regio needs to move these back down because we always run out. I'm going to go ahead and put that group right up there. Alrighty, so today we're going to take a tally mark and we're going to put it right up next to this one. And that means we have 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 26, 27. Good. And moving on to our money. Ooh, we did some good work when we added this quarter. Yesterday we added a penny to that quarter to make 26. Today we need to make 27 cents. So to make 27 cents, what do you think we're going to do? Yes, if you said we're going to move a penny into our piggy bank, you are absolutely correct. A penny is worth 1 cent and a quarter is worth 25 cents. Which coin are we going to start counting from? Yes, we're going to start counting from that quarter. 25, 26, 27. Alrighty, and our affirmations for today, we are saying the first 5. We're going to go ahead and do them all. I'm only going to count for us to start the first one. Okay, here we go. 1, 2, 3. I can do this. I am smart. I am friendly. I am awesome. I am calm. Very good job, boys and girls. I'm going to go right over here to our daily checklist. And yesterday you completed day 1 of the daily checklist. Remember, you are group A and your day 1 starts on Wednesday. So we're going to move down to day 2 because day 2 is Thursday for you. And you're going to see that in Science, you are going to complete a Google slide. You are going to think about what is a scientist, and you're going to brainstorm what you think a scientist is, what you think a scientist does, and different types of scientists that you know. So you're going to be completing that Google slide for science tomorrow. Then into your time, you are going to be reading independently. Remember, there are no spelling words for this week. In language arts, you are completing Accelerate Lesson 5.2, Farm Visit. You are completing pages 36, 37, and 38. And you are writing the first draft of your paragraph, and you are revising that first draft by adding details. Make sure that you have words like first, next, then, last. Remember, when we revised our pumpkin carving how-tos and we added those details that made our directions much more interesting. I want you to do that today. Remember, this is all getting written in your at-home notebook. So your first draft of your paragraph is being written, and then you're going to revise it by adding details. Of course, including those important order words. First, next, then, last. And then in math today, you are doing 2 accelerate activities, skip count by 5, and skip count by 2, 5, 10. And then you are doing extra math practice today. So let's recap. In science today, you are completing a Google slide. It is what is a scientist? And remember, you are brainstorming what you think a scientist is, what you think a scientist does, and different kinds of scientists that you know about. Then you're going to go ahead into tier time and you're going to read independently. You're going to complete Accelerate Lesson 5.2 for Language Arts, Farm Visit, doing pages 36, 37, and 38 in your workbook. Nothing needs to be uploaded today. And then you are writing the first draft of your paragraph. That is the paragraph of what you brainstormed yesterday. So you brainstormed some things that you thought you were an expert in. You're going to choose one of those and write your first draft. And then you're going to go back and you're going to revise it by adding some details. First, next, then, and last are really great transition words that should be included in your how-to. And then in math today, you're doing skip count by 5, as well as skip count by 2, 5, 10 in Accelerate. And please make sure you are going on to do extra math practice. Boys and girls, don't forget that I will be available for office hours today from 11:40 to 11:50, and again from 12:50 to 1 o'clock. So if you have any questions about what you are working on, you're going to come on during one of those 2 times, from 11:40 to 11:50, or from 12:50 to 1 o'clock. Of course, we're not going to go on just to say to Ms. Remigio, what am I supposed to be doing in science? Because what should you be looking at? Yes, you should be looking at your checklist. You are on day 2 of your checklist. So that's what you should be referring to throughout the entire day. I hope you have a wonderful day of learning today, boys and girls, and I will talk to you tomorrow. Oh, one little reminder, please don't forget to go on art at 2:15 today. Bye.